everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. I have had the most fantastic weekend away with my Stampin' Up team. We've been to Onstage Telford to the awesome Stampin' Up event that Stampin' Up hold twice a year in April and November. And then we had our own team event on the Sunday, which is today. I've just got home and we did some crafting, we had some fun team building activities, and we had some lovely food, and it's been awesome. So I'm going to just quickly show you the catalogue. This will be going out in the back end of May. These aren't available for demonstrators to even purchase until May, so they won't be getting sent out yet. And I'd just like to say that if you have shopped online or wherever with me in the last 6 months, okay, your name will automatically be listed on my Stampin' Up database. You will automatically get a catalogue from me, so you don't need to request one if you've shopped with me in the last 6 months. Okay, any other people that are wanting a catalogue and wanting to shop with me, if you place an order with me, between now and the end of May, you'll also go on the list to get a free catalogue. Further requests from people who haven't shopped with me previously and don't shop with me before the second week in May, and there will be a nominal charge of £5 for the catalogue. Okay, I am going to be asking for a contribution towards the cost of the catalogue. Demonstrators have to buy them, we have to pack them, and we have to ship them, and people, you get people that do request them and then they don't shop from the demonstrator they've requested the catalogue from. So what I will say in return, that is, if you request a catalogue from me and you're not a customer, and you pay that nominal £5 fee on your very first order that you place with me, for your Stampin' Up products with me as your demonstrator, I will then refund the cost of the catalogue. So in effect, you are still getting it for free, so long as you choose me as your demonstrator. So that is how I'm going to be doing it this year, to try and even out the burden of the cost of these catalogues. So I'm going to do a quick sneak peek. Look at this, it's awesome. It is awesome. It's beautiful, beautiful catalogue. There's some beautiful, beautiful new products in there. You're going to absolutely love it. I'm going to give you some sneak peeks of some of the items that I've got. I got here a new punch, and this is called Perennial Flower Punch, and there's a complete suite, and there's a stamp set to go with it, and then this is a lovely symmetrical, well, it's 3 petals, so that's not completely symmetrical, but each shape of each petal is nice and symmetrical, so you'll get your nice 5-petal flowers, which is the traditional way of making paper flowers. It's a beautiful, beautiful shape. I cannot wait to use it. So I got that for free. I also got this beautiful photopolymer stamp set. I think I got this as Prize Patrol, and this is a really, really lovely stamp set that has been aimed at new crafters. It's quite simple, it's aimed at simple stamping, and it's aimed at the new crafters, so that will be fun to play with. So I'll be doing some projects with that. And then this is a sneak peek of one of the papers with the little birds on. We'll be given some samples to do some make and takes, and I sneaked a few extra. So this is an example of some of the papers that are going to be available, and it's an example of quite a bit of a theme going through the catalogue. There's quite a lot of what I call Amanda style sweets in there, shabby chic vintage style, beautiful florals with your birds and your bird cages and your lovely vintage fonts, and I'm really, really over the moon. So we got that. We got our Stampin' Up pen in our little bag, and we always get a bag every year, and I'll just share with you one of the DSPs that we were given for free. All demonstrators got this. We got this just simply for going to the Stampin' Up event, and this is called Mosaic Mood, and it's beautiful, and it is in like little mosaics, and it's got a glossy finish to the raised parts. It's like embossed, and the raised parts have got a gloss to them. I'm not sure if the camera, can you see that? Is the camera picking it up? like glossy. It smells divine, and they're all double-sided, of course, as Stampin' Up papers always are. And we've got that fancy one there, and then a plainer on the other side, and that one. So, and that one, beautiful. You know, and they give us these products for free so that we can go and start playing and start sharing samples to inspire. Look at that, beautiful, lovely colour. So that we can start making samples and inspiring you and starting to get you excited. But yeah, these are not available until June, so we still have lots of lovely goodies in the current catalogue to choose from for now. So keep hold of those catalogues. Don't think that, you know, to put them to one side. We've still got quite a few months left to enjoy those fantastic items. We also got these lovely clipboards on our tables, which are always useful, but one of the most exciting developments for me, and you will be hearing about it next week, is that Paper Pumpkin is coming to the UK, which is like a little... you will have seen them, if you're in the UK and you love Stampin' Up, you will have seen them all over the American channels. They have them in subscription form, so they can buy them every single month on a subscription. And it's basically a little bit like a kit in a box. So inside you get all the components you need to make the projects that month, and they're always to a theme. You get a stamp set with it for sentiments. You get all the die cuts are just to pop out, so you don't need a die cut machine, and you get all the elements that you need to create cards really quickly. So this was pre-printed with the vintage script and the bird nest already on. So all I had to do to create this beautiful card was stamp my sentiment on this pre-cut die cut. The little flowers were already cut out as well, so they've just gone on dimensionals, and then I've added a little bit of this lovely twine that's kind of string twine. I don't know how to describe that. It's really lovely. And then I've got the little card, and then there's the lovely little printed envelopes to go with it, with the bird's nest and the little blue eggs. So this is just one indication of what is going to be in that Paper Pumpkin kit that is coming to the UK. I believe more information, you will see information coming out next week from Monday onwards, and I believe that it's available to order in May, in the month of May, and it will be for 1 month only. It's a special, so yeah, it's absolutely stunning. So keep your eyes out about that, and make sure you'll be able to order it just on the normal Stampin' Up website. You know, if you go to my Stampin' Up shop, it will be available to order on there. It's not a subscription, it's just a one-off, it's a special, and I'm hoping that they're just testing the waters, and if it's popular and enough people buy it, hopefully they'll bring it to us permanently like they do in America. And like I say, you get a little stamp set in there, you get a little mini ink spot, you get all the die cuts, you get the embellishments that you need, you get everything. And I think I do know that the price point is going to be £20. The postage will be extra, obviously. It will be Stampin' Up postage, so you'd perhaps add it to your an order of other items if you so desire. So there we go. Now, they did give us just the one card kit to have a little sample of. Well, I was a bit cheeky and I sneaked a few, so I'm going to be offering these out in my Stampin' Up team group. For those ladies that couldn't go to on stage, I'm going to be offering them some of these card kits so they can have a little play themselves. And when we're at the events, we do make and takes. We have fantastic UK demonstrators that do projects up on the stage, and then when they've done, we get little packs and the stamp sets put on the table so that we can make a sample card ourselves. I very rarely do crafting at these events. For some reason, I'm too busy talking. I know that's hard to believe, but I like to take mine home and do them at home. So I got a few because I did have some team members that paid to go to the event and then for one reason or another couldn't come, so I got 3 of everything. So that's mine and that's for them. So this is a beautiful Follow Your Art suite, which is all based on crafty stuff. It's awesome, you're going to love it. So there's a sneak peek of that. You can see just one of the stamps and a little bit of the DSP there. I can't show you the inside of the catalogue. And then this one here, I can't remember what this suite's called. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like water, it's like proper like oil painting kind of pictures. It's very, very beautiful. And we've got that lovely stamp punch that I showed you, and that's the stamp that matches, so I'll be able to make those cards at home. And then this is another beautiful one here. Haven't memorised all the names of everything yet, do apologise. I've literally been in the house about an hour. So I'm loving that. So this is the beautiful DSP look. And then we've got the birds stamped and coloured and layered on. I think it's going to be one of my firm favourites. So I got extras of that. And then we got the lovely nautical themed one here with the beautiful nautical theme with the like nautical charms and the lighthouse and the beautiful coordinating DSP. So that's another suite. So that's a sneak peek at some of those. Super exciting. It was an awesome weekend. I always enjoy on stage events. So there you go. So that is the share of the sneak peek of some of my goodies, and obviously I've already put a video up showing you that we got the bag. We get a bag at every convention. I've already shared that video with you. I did say that I would come and do some live YouTubes throughout the weekend. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to because the internet connection in the hall we were in on my particular phone was pants, and I just couldn't go live at all. It wouldn't let me. But I've been sharing everywhere photographs on my Instagram, on my Facebook, so you will see them, and I will do a post and I will reshare all of the photographs that I've taken over the weekend of my team and I, and some of the boards, sharing all of the lovely products that are going to be coming out. Have a look on Pinterest. Demonstrators will be sharing willy-nilly for you to have a look. So that's that. And now I'm going to share with you in another video, a separate video, the fantastic swaps that I received, which is one of my favourite parts of on stage. So I'll say goodbye for now, and then I will come right back and share my swaps with you. Bye for now.